Oh yeah, thought I'd do a video, a realistic one of what the place really looks like on a day-to-day basis, rather than being all tidied up. It's all the work in progress and the work that's finished and work that hasn't even started yet on the easel. My monster workbench that my other half built for me, which I love. Signwriting, most of it is 3 sides done. Some canvases there that I got from a charity shop, which cost me all of £3. I've painted them up, I'm upcycling them. I might use them as wedding signs, I'm not entirely sure yet. On here's a load of glass that I had at the house and a couple of mirrors. Got ideas for 2 or 3 of them that I'm going to do, but I'm just going to keep them until they're needed. Over here is my shelf and all my work gear. So got my new giraffe here, which is Ginny Giraffe. Joseph, which I'll show you in a minute, is finished now. And there's all sorts in here, I'm not going to read it all off. There's my brushes. Should shut that really. No, my luck, I'll spill something on them. So my one shot and other paints up here. Gilding stuff, pinstriping gear, glitter, and that is the remaining lamp from poor old Dudley that got written off in March last year. It is now, Christ. And then here is a palette that they don't make anymore, and I'm gutted. I wish I bought 2. You always do, don't you? But I just love it. I know not everyone, not all signwriters use palettes now, but I love it, so I might have to try and figure it out to make my own. And a bit of Foamex or dye bond or plywood or something. There's my kit box. Kit obviously, but that's what I use when I go out. I just put all my bits in it. Fire extinguisher, which is nothing to do with me. The landlord put that in there. Probably a good idea, really. That's the one end that's not been painted yet. So as soon as I think of something, I'll do it. Underneath there are a couple of scooter panels. I don't know if you can see those. I'll be doing those hopefully next week, and I'll show you when I do. There's a box of rubbish to go to the dump. It's been there quite a long time now. It did start out as recycling, but they're really fussy, so I don't even know if I'll get away with that now. There's my coats, and then more shelves. There's inflatable giraffe, obviously. Roll of bubble wrap. That over there is Joseph, the Technicolor drip coat, which I started about 3 or 4 years ago, but he's all finished now. Sorry for the flickering, but there's the lights in here, they're a nightmare. Got all sorts in there, including washing up. But I'm really self-sufficient because I have got my microwave, or my microwave, all hail Nigella. Here it is, there's a close-up of it. It's all the paint that I've leftovers that I've dripped over. Again, sorry for the flickering. And then over here, tea and coffee mugs. Another heater I got. Got one behind my desk, but this is one that takes the chin off. The other end of the bench. Just going to show you a close-up of the corners of this and how well it's built. I mean, it's pretty epic, isn't it? And the glass on there, I think is, well, I'll show you there, almost a centimetre thick. It's got the casters, so I can shove it backwards and forwards, so if I'm on the easel, I can use it to put stuff on it, or just shove it out of the way if I want to move. Likewise, in this part here, I can create more space here by just moving it towards the easel. That's another project that all I've done with it so far is buy it. Some little nested tables. I think they're 1930s, 1940s, but I don't really know. My charity bargain chair. A couple more bits over there that I haven't, well, I have started them because I've sanded them down, but that's about it. And a little table that I have finished there called Wonky. My Schreiber, which I'll get around to. Add it to the list, eh? My bin, which is full. My lovely heater there. A friend of mine gave me that out of her conservatory that she'd knocked down. So I've got 2 heaters in there. My ladders, which they're the, you know, the ones that extend and crush your fingers when they don't. well, I've kind of used them in here just to go up a couple of steps to reach the top of the easel, but I don't use them like in anger, if you like, because I don't know, I just have this horrible feeling I'm going to end up on the floor. And this is my corner where all my rubbish is. I've got 2 desks. I've got this glass one here, and then around here, if I move my chair out of the way, printer, toolbox, tripod, bits of paper, my vision board. I'm doing well with my vision board, aren't I? Look at that, isn't that great? I'll get there. An old planner, my coffee mat, my glasses stand on my, I did this as a coaster, it kept getting in the way, but it didn't roll as well as it should have done, as you can see. It's quite neat. And in here I have got all sorts of rubbish. And you can guarantee when I want some of it, I won't be able to find it. So there you go, there's a printer, paper, all the other rubbish. And we go round to the easel again and back round to a shot of the rest of the workshop. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I just wanted to show you what it's really like. Not when I'm styling it to make it look nice, but the actual state it's in when I'm here just doing things on a day-to-day basis. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to let me know what you think, then cool, do so. I'll speak to you on the next one. Look after yourselves. Bye.